So Friday, March 27th, and this is a local young guy here. He owns a Bombardier and he comes out to shop quite often, so Dad's giving him some free advice. They're talking about bearings and axles here right now, and he might have some spare rims for us. So anyways, Dad loves it when he comes out here and visits. So yeah, that's what we're up to here today. Dad just got some parts in yesterday for this high performance water pump, and I think it's an alternator for this 318. This 318 in transmission is going to go into that 1971 yellow Bombardier. So Dad's was just tearing it apart here to make sure it's ready to go for the customer. And Dad did get in the head gasket for this. We actually might even get a second one, a spare, but it was a real panic mode here. Dad has been going absolutely nuts, crazy, because he's been stopped for 2 weeks now, more, waiting on that one part. So now that the head gasket's back in, and it was the right one, they're going to reassemble everything here, and hopefully there's no leaks. So you might remember on a couple videos ago where they put everything together and then it was leaking antifreeze everywhere. It was because it was the head gasket, and this is the head gasket right here. So the old one is on top, and there's the new one, and it matches up perfectly. And holy crap, one it left in the States and one in Canada, and so I put an emergency order on both, and the one order came in yesterday and the other one is due today. So yeah, really eager to try and get this started and out the shop, because we've got that 71 coming into the shop, and it is going to be 3 months guaranteed before Dad has another spot open here in the shop. And I want him to actually finish off that muskeg tractor if he can, and get it out of the shop and for sale, because it just takes up an extra spot in the shop. And without spring being on its way, it was like minus 23 again this morning. It's we can't do a lot of the work we want to do. So hopefully spring comes, because the little dog's going to want to go in and out of the shop. But Dad is busy showing off everything we've done here on these guys. These guys are well over budget, but they wanted it operational, and that's what it is. This thing was a step or two or three above like just being a parts machine. So this is a complete rebuild. We try to keep the cost down as much as possible, but oh my lord, it was trying, to say the least. But we're gonna let Dad keep doing what he's doing here, and maybe I'll check in with him at the end of the day and see what he's got done. But he's been sitting around here just absolutely going crazy, and so thankfully some of his buddies are showing up for coffee and beer or rum or whatever at the end of the day. But not really much to report on, guys, here, other than we're just we waited on that head gasket, and I couldn't believe, like, it's just, that's the way the job goes sometimes, is where you're just waiting for one part. And so can't stress this enough, guys. If you're got an old boat like this, make sure you got spare parts, spare bearings, spare tires, you know, spare whatever you need. And because you don't want to be broken down on the ice, because you know, that's where it's going to happen if you're going to break down. It's out in the ice, and or 10 miles away from help. Okay, well, we're going to check in with Dad maybe later on, and the dogs, and find out what's going on. But it's morning right now, so I'll be back this afternoon. So Dad just threw the key on just to test the lights here to show the young fella, and all the lights are working really well. And got the fog lights in the front here as well, so it's all good. You just got to get that engine put back together. What do you think, Nina Pinta Santa Maria? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, we're eager to get this out of the shop. Really eager. So, Aidan is back, and he's back working on the engine here. And, did you get the head gasket put on?
The head's on.
Yeah, okay.
So,
just changing out the plugs now, and...
No, I put the head gasket on, hooked up the fan and everything. I had the rat on, we started filling it up and it was leaking.
Jesus H. Christ.
But it wasn't leaking out of the head.
Oh, okay, well at least do that.
So I took the water pump off and cleaned it up.
Yeah.
We're going to put a new gasket on, and we're trying out some of this spray on gasket first.
Okay.
And then we're going to put more...
So the head gasket's leaking again?
No.
Oh.
The water pump gasket.
Water pump gasket, okay. So do we have one of those or no?
Yeah. Well, we
Thank
had two
fuck.
complete sets.
Okay.
Okay, check that out from there.
Does it hurt? Hey, you only had a couple rounds of treats? Tell me about it. Tell Schooner. Charles and Charge laying in the sunbeam. Hey, old dog? Jeez, you're looking old. Filipino Emily. Hey, my poor girl's molting. Hey, all her hair is molting right now. Oh, what a good dog I got.